So we've had a little bit of rough running with this engine, and what I was thinking was possibly has something to do with the injectors. They were just the original injectors that we pulled out, after they sat in old, dried out, nasty smelling fuel for forever. The cat's trying to smell it too. She says, nasty smelling fuel. Anyway, so we pulled them out. Figured out a way to clean them out pretty easily. What we got here is I'm using some carb cleaner, piece of hose that fits inside the injector, some tape, and half used up 9-volt battery. So as you can hear, we have it connected to the terminals there, and you can hear it opening and closing. I'll set you down here and we'll show you what happens. So I kind of hold this together, then get my arm out of the way here, connect it. There you go. We did that a couple times beforehand and leave it sit there to let the carb cleaner soak for, probably leave it set for 10 minutes or something like that. Then you connect it up like that, and you hose it out, and it should be good to go. I mean, you can see there wasn't anything wrong with that spray pattern, so that one's good. These 4 are done. Got these 3 to go. And we'll put it back together, see if it makes any difference. Okay, so the injector cleaning went well. Unfortunately, what I had done was I did this side first, and I removed the O-rings from the injectors and then cleaned them. The other side, I was in a bit of a hurry, so I was like, well, I didn't really need to take the injector O-rings off, so I left them on. And unfortunately, it looks like the carb cleaner kind of destroyed them. I got them back on. I just pressure tested it to see if we had any fuel leaks, and we didn't. And I figured I'd better look at the injectors real quick, and yep, that one's busted. There's a piece of one there. That O-ring's toast. And that one looks okay. The ones on this side are good to go. But I don't have any new O-rings. These O-rings were new when I put this engine in here. So it was the carb cleaner that screwed them up. So now we can't really go anywhere till we get some new O-rings. Yay, another Summit order coming up.